Grady, and Grady just came into Lytle, Texas. He was basically dumped. The guy drove up here at about 3 in the afternoon, let Grady out, and drove off. Grady is currently not neutered, but he will be, and he will have a negative fecal, negative heartworm, up on all his shots, and ready for his forever home. If you would love to rescue a beautiful West Highland White Terrier, this is your boy. His name is Grady. He's good on a leash. He is super beautiful, and after he gets a bath, he is going to be beautiful. And I just wanted to let you know, too, we got the leash out, and he sat on his little butt and did his hands in the air. It's the cutest little thing you've ever seen. This is beautiful, Lytle boy, Grady. He's about 3 years old.